I'm going to show you a unique way that I use to do KDP niche research and make thousands of dollars a month. So make sure you stick around till the end so that you guys can get the full picture. So guys, with this method that I'm about to show you, it's going to be free. You don't need to use any tool besides Amazon. But optionally, we can use a paid tool just to help us filter out the results, but it's not essential, guys. So as you can see, we're on the Amazon.com platform. You want to make sure that you have delivered to a US zip code if you're searching for the US market, and make sure you change the zip code accordingly depending on which market you're searching for. This will help you get the best results possible. So here's the trick. When you're trying to search for KDP books, there's so many categories all under the same category of books, right? And you don't know what to search for. Obviously, in this case, we're searching for no content books. So the first thing that comes to mind is maybe we could type notebook like so. And as we type notebook, as you can see, we have plenty of other results that pop up. I'm using this extension called AMZ Suggestion Expander. It basically expands the keyword choices or the suggestion. Now, traditionally, what people would tell you to do is go through each one of them and check for the BSR on the first page and also for the competition, right? Yeah, this is all well and good, but we want to get deeper than that. So for example, Notebook of Doom, click on it, see what comes up. We have 10,000 results. You'll hardly find any good results like this. You'll have to keep digging deeper and deeper and deeper. So within this 10,000 results, you're going to have to grab one of these books and try and do a search for it individually, and so on and so forth. Meaning that you're going to have to dig deeper even further, sub-niche even more. What you could do from here is you could do this filter of last 30 days and see what has been published in the last 30 days that has also sold. But personally, what I like to do, guys, is I like to just put a notebook, and then I like to go to the last 30 days and then from there check what has been uploaded in the last 30 days and sold as well. Not just sold, but has a very good BSR. Typically, a BSR below 1 million is not a bad BSR. So we'll reverse a little bit and just type notebook. We have plenty of options right here. As I'm recording, this Amazon Quick View is giving me issues. It's just returning captcha instead of returning the BSR. But hey ho, we're just going to continue recording. Maybe I'll try and fetch the BSR with the AMZ Scouts or something like that. But the point being is we need to see a healthy BSR in the first few results of this first page. I'm going to go below here and click on last 30 days and then see what is popping up, guys. Normally it should show the BSR, but it's not sure why. Let's try with the AMZ Scouts and see what happens. Okay, AMZ Scouts is returning results. It looks like in the middle of recording we have an Amazon issue, but hey ho. I've waited and waited and waited, but we're still getting the same issue. It's just not wanting to fetch the BSR for whatever reason. I've even tried with AMZ Scout, it's not doing it. So it feels like there's an issue with Amazon at the moment. I have no other choice, guys, but I'm just going to show you the principle, and then you guys can apply in your own time. By the way, guys, this is a very important note. This last 30 days will not show unless you're in the books category. If you're in the all category, it won't show. Once we've done that, I have a feeling that this is probably the best result possible. We'll click on it. So obviously, the best result shows first usually. That has a BSR of 63K. What I then would do is I would copy the title or just portion of it, and then I would enter it right here. This is how we're sub-niching, guys. We're getting 73 results, guys. Pretty good, isn't it? Now that we don't have many results, we have to find out whether we have a good BSR or not. Usually the BSR would show here, but it's not showing. I'm using this extension called DS Amazon Quick View, but at the moment it's not able to fetch the BSR from inside the product page. But let's check this second option right here. Okay, so the BSR is 63K. Let's check this first one right here. Got a BSR of 63K as well. How about this one? This one has no BSR. Yeah, no BSR as well. I have a feeling that we're sub-niched a little bit more. That's probably why we're not seeing BSR in the first page. The niche is probably too laser focused. Let's remove this last bit here and see how many results we get. So we're getting 603 results just for IEP Planner 2022 to 2023. Now let's check this one right here. It has a BSR of 670. Below 1 million, not bad. So guys, the idea or the concept is type notebook right here. Make sure that you're in the books category. Go to the last 30 days and check what has been selling that's just been uploaded, and then complete your research from there. What you want to look at is the number of results as well as is there any BSR action in the first page. Unfortunately, I can't demonstrate it right now because I don't have access to BSR right here. Normally it does show it, but there's an issue with Amazon, as I told you guys. So what you want to see here is a good BSR that is below 1 million, especially in the first page. To make it even more interesting, we can actually type composition notebook like so and click enter. There's plenty of results, of course, 80k results. We're going to click on last 30 days. The sub niche of this niche is composition notebook mermaid quote. Again, the sub niche of this niche is lilac or mauve. We can dig in further and search for that niche as well. Let's check this mermaid quote. 1000 results, and we keep going one by one, guys, until we'll find something that is interesting for us. Let's check this one here. 48 results, guys. That's pretty sub-niched. Now it's just a question of finding out whether the BSI is pretty good. The competition is very low, and you guys have so many other options. So you have music sheets, calendar, planner, coloring book, activity book, guest book, logbook, tracker, sketchbook, line tracing book, composition notebook, as we mentioned just now. Let's check music sheet. Obviously it's going to be 60k. Check the last 30 days. Easy piano sheet music for kids. There we go. Replace this again. 20k results. Okay, that's a lot. You have to sub niche even further. Okay, when we add for kids, it gives us 2000. Now at this stage, you have to find something else to cross niche it with, and the goal always has to be reducing the number of results, because you don't want to be having to compete with all the main books that are bringing in so much money, like this one for example. 3000 reviews. That's a lot. And it's just a question of digging deeper, guys, and trying different combinations and going through that first page one by one and seeing if you can sub niche even further and see whether you can actually infuse that niche with something else and see if you can come up with something more unique. Let's try calendar. Obviously 70,000 results last 30 days. All right, let's check 2023 daily planner. Okay, not bad. These guys are pretty advanced, huh? Thinking well ahead. Wow. There's 60,000 results, guys. That's a lot. Now, how can we sub niche? The way to sub niche here is the actual design, right? So we could check maybe something like animal skin or leopard skin. There we go. 21 results, guys. So you just got to find a way to get rid of the competition. Now you got to think, who is this daily planner for? Is it for a yoga teacher? Is it for a student? Who is it for? Try and target the audience that way. So you found the niche, right? That is pretty general, I would say. 2023 daily planner is a journal that anyone can use, right? It's not very specific. Now we have to make it specific, right? They've used it for someone who's doing yoga right now. They've used it with an elegant design. This is for someone who likes horses. You see what I mean, guys? Now let's try logbook. And by the way, you can keep adding to this list, guys. As you start seeing new types of journals or new types of low content or no content books, just keep adding them and start using them as a seed phrase or seed keyword to try and find new niches. There we go. Logbook, 70,000 results. Let's check last 30 days. Freeze drying logbooks. Check this one. You see how we always try to dig deeper, right? 481 results. That's better than 70k. And then keep sub-niching and sub-niching until you find something that has a good BSR and also a good number of results in the first page. I mean, a good number of results overall. It's all about supply and demand, guys. And obviously the other trick you could always use, guys, is put your seed phrase here and see what kind of keywords Amazon returns, right? Okay, logbook for trackers. Now you know that people are searching for this keyword more, for diabetics, for business, for taxes, and click on each one and see what comes up. So we did this one for taxes. Wow, 50,000 results, guys. Right, for trackers, 10,000. And obviously you can sub-niche even further. See how you can sub-niche. Check whether you've got any opportunities, guys. There's loads of opportunities out there. We just have to analyze. Let's check vintage colors, right? So if we add vintage, I'm sure it's going to lower the results. There we go, 399. Let's check American flag, 45 results, guys. Just keep trying to use different combinations until you find what you're looking for. And then it's just testing from there, guys. And if you guys need a Merch by Amazon account, or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for Merch by Amazon, along with 200 plus profitable print-on-demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush Merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. I hope you got some value. Like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the notifications and all that. And I'll see you in the next video.